In this world, good people are suffering more or bad people are suffering more? Good people are always suffering more. Is this? People who think they are good, they are simply suffering. First of all, how did they become good? He is not okay, she is not okay, he is not okay, they are not okay. Comparing to all these people, I am a good man. Yes? From where did they get that idea that they are good? They have compared themselves with loads of people, and at their level, everybody is bad, and now they feel good that they are good men. Is that so? And they are establishing themselves good and making all these people are rich people. And this is why good people won't get anywhere. Is this called being good? Are these really good human beings? Do you know who is good? He who does good is good. Is really good. Whenever we think that we should do good work, we only keep on thinking. We think that can we send blessing to someone who has been very mean to us? Can we be nice to someone who has been rude to us? Can we help someone who don't help me when I was needing it? Can I smile at someone who turns away when they look at me? Can I smile at someone who looks at me and turns away? That's what everyone thinks. But you know, each one of us, beautiful diamond, pure, happy, peaceful, we can create and radiate throughout a day. But we don't do it. Because we say, she didn't do it this way, he didn't do it this way, they didn't do it this way. So I'll also not do it. I stopped creating it. I stopped creating it. I stopped experiencing it. And then I have to come here in this winter and say choose happiness. Choose happiness. Why? Because we were not choosing it in those moments. So, my dear, not be in will I. Just stay in shall I, should I, will I tomorrow? Will I be nice to them if they are not nice to me? Yes, of course, be nice to them who are not nice to you. Let me choose be myself. What am I doing today? I am being nice to those who are nice to me. I am being extra nice to those who are extra nice to me. Then I am not nice to them who are not nice to me. So what am I doing throughout a day? I am shifting. I am flexing. And each time I am dependent on them. Now, where all those things goes? Me, myself, my quality. We always expect that others should think good of us. We want everybody should appreciate us. Everybody should think that we are nice, we are very nice. But when this expectation is impossible, we seem upset. My dear, no matter what you do, there will always be people who will think bad of you. You know there are two parties in this world. First one is good and the second one is bad. If you do the bad deeds, the good people will call you bad. And if you do good deeds, the bad people will call you bad. So no matter what you do, people will always have objections. Then why we waste our energy in trying to call us good? Do what is good for yourself. I am not saying that don't listen to your parents or don't listen to your society members. But always do that which is good for your loved ones or for others. Never too bad to anyone. Not even for your respect. I mean, don't do anything wrong to be good in the eyes of others. If you are really good, you don't need their opinion. You don't need others' opinion. or to be good in others' eyes. You are good, that's enough. That's what matters in life. Thank you so much.